My video presentation for CREO Startup Superstars. Now, let's start with some of my personal details. My name is Aarav Singhal. I'm 14 years of age and I study in Cambridge 9 at Nehru World School, Shastanagar, Ghaziabad. Now, the name of my startup is Bhumipak and its slogan is "From the field, not from the flame." Now, the reason for starting Bhumipak is to give farmers in India an eco-friendly alternative to stubble burning, which does not require them to pay for the disposal. Instead, we will buy the stubble off of them to make a product. Now, the way that Bhumipak is sustainable is because the packaging and the pulp molds made using the stubble would be recycled to make compost, which should add nutrients back into the soil. Now, the main SDGs that Bhumipak satisfies is SDG 13 and SDG 15. SDG 13, which is climate action, is satisfied by Bhumipak because stubble burning is one of the larger contributors to greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. And by removing the incentive for farmers to stubble burn by giving them a paid alternative, naturally they will not participate in stubble burning, saving a lot of greenhouse gases to be added into the atmosphere, which also helps with life on land, which is SDG 15, as stubble burning causes the microbiome and insects of the soil to die, which would then preserve the biodiversity by the farmers not participating in stubble burning. Now, there are a few evidences for both the issue and for the business. The evidences for the issue is that both Haryana and Punjab together produce around 60 million tons of crop residue, which is burned every single year. In fact, so much smoke is produced that it is actually visible from space, as you can see from the picture provided by NASA. One of the evidences for the business is that large FMCGs, which are fast-moving consumer goods, and pulp molding businesses have a large market currently and are also projected to grow a lot in the future. Now, the execution plan for this startup is within 4 steps. In the first step, we would try to acquire the stubble by partnering with 2 to 3 villages near a stubble burning hotspot like Punjab or Haryana, where we would pay a small collection fee by the ton, which would be better than the farmers would get by stubble burning, which is no fee because it's a free alternative. In the second part, we will try to license or reverse engineer known pulp molding processes from proven industries of sugarcane bagasse packaging. In the third step, we will try to target one mid-sized direct-to-customer brand or food delivery aggregator willing to pilot a few thousand units at a price close to their current plastic or thermocol packaging. In the fourth step, we would apply for state pollution control board subsidies along with active anti-stubble burning grant schemes, which several states offer as extra funding for our project. Thank you for reviewing my video presentation. I hope you liked it.